Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. So in the last episode, the volume was really low because I didn't have my computer at a good setting. So this time, hopefully it's good. But we're now moving on. We're gonna collect the next Star Sprite Shine. Bianca Hills, red coins of Windmill Village. Oh, okay. And those are red coins. Alright, moving on. So I don't know how many red coins I'm supposed to get, so we're just gonna figure that out. Dang it. No, wait. I need to switch to my jetpack. Come on. Yes. Okay. Ooh, what's in the box? This is one of my nozzles, the GAD Scientist's hover nozzle. Well, I already have that. Alright, first red can. First red can. Do a flip. Yes, we got one. Oh, so there are 8. It's like 64 all over again. Now, where are the other suckers? Okay. Use my eagle eyes. Caca! Shoot, okay. Oh, wow, I would have never found this if I didn't go up here. Right, we're just gonna run up here. Grab this sucker. What is this? This could kill me. What are you? Ah! Wow, alright, thanks, buddy. Jetpack cheat. No! Dang it. Can I make it? Jump! That electric thing was gonna get me if I didn't do anything. Ow! Alright, now how do I get there? Of course, there's one in the middle of nowhere. Can I reach it? Yes! Ow. Okay, now we need to get up that building in order to get to that last sucker. Okay. No. Dude, triple flips are always the best. What is this? This is one of my nozzles. Oh, you cannot use it yet. It's only a hologram. Dang, holograms. Jump. Okay. Now, I'm not falling for that trick again. Okay. Oh. Dang it! Come on, man. Can I make it? Ah, let's go. I'm probably not even supposed to be here. Maybe. Ooh, getting close. Oh, wait, I can't see. Why? Every time. I'm not falling for that trick again. Okay, there we go. Last sucker. They're not suckers. It's at the very top. Shoot. Alright, how do I get to this? Oh, okay. Hi. Yes. Aha! Wah! I'm sorry. Well, here we go again. Alright. Toad! My friend! How dare you take my toad away from me? I will avenge you, my friend. Alright, it's game time. And there we go. Oh yeah, I forgot I can do that. Tornado attack! Oh, again! Dang it! Okay, okay. Game time again.
Few moments later.
Alright. We got it. We got it. Oh, that's a tall tower. That's a tall... Yes! The next level! Let's go! Alright, onwards! Dune Bud Sand Castle Secret. Okay. Moving on. Dang, it's beautiful. Zooms into a single sprout. What's up, bro? Just get the water dirty here. And don't step on the Doom Buds. Thanks for your cooperation. How about... No. Oh, gross. This is one of my nozzles. Oh, you cannot use it yet. It's only a hologram. Of course it is. Oh, I'm okay. This is not blatantly obvious. Whee! Oh, too much. Too much. Too much again. You know what? I'm not getting this stinking blue coin. What? I should at least get 10 to open up the shop, whatever the guy's gonna give me. The raccoon or whatnot. Alright, let's water our plant. Oh! Alright. Nice. What does that even do? This is the best strategy out of it. Oh, I was supposed to get one of them. I'm assuming, at least. Well, the arrow's pointing towards the door. So let's go towards the door. Dude. How dare you? Oh, wait, before it's... What am I supposed to... Oh. Not again! No! Dang it. Alright, this is where the rage kicks in. Just slow and steady. Just slow and steady. Ooh, one up. Oh! No! 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 Alright. Okay, it's just easy path. Just got a simple platforming. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. Oh, there's those blocks. They don't melt. Melt. And, okay. Okay, now that I got that star shine, whatever. Now it's time to go to the next level. Alert, alert, just look at all the top of the tower. Look at all the top of the tower. Top of the tower. Top of the morning. Some weird thing has curled up on the tower of the map. Tower of the map. To take a nap. This could endanger the legendary sandbird egg. Oh, that's an egg. Okay. Well, how was I supposed to know that? Okay. So I know exactly what I'm supposed to do. Excuse me. Yes! So I knew that was obvious because I beat the first guy, and then the second guys, I tried to fight them, but I died. But then I realized I wasn't recording, like a fool. Which you could tell. Ow, gotta punish him off again. Ow. Oh, I got one off. Shoot. Now go. Let's go. Okay. So we got that fool out of the way. Now I just gotta beat the triple threat. Alright. Now I am back. To face the same guys I've been fighting for the last couple rounds. Let's go. Okay, so I think maybe the best thing is to do one at a time. Not all three of them all at once, because that'd be stupid. I totally hit him. Obviously not. There we go. Got one. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Alright. It's just you and me now, Junior. Ow. Oh! Run! Get off! Yes! Let's go. Shoot. And now the last solar panel aligns to kick this guy off. Nice. Wait, where is it? Just put it on the other side of the beach, why don't you? Let's go. Now, on to the next one. Wiggler Ahoy. Full steam ahead. Full steam ahead. Blech. Again, my English. Oh. That's... Oh, hey, buddy. Come back. Oh, I know exactly what needs to be done. Alright. Nice. What does that even do? See? Easy. Oh. Soku? Come at me. Come at me, bro. Oh, dang it. Oh, hey, it worked. Boom! Does he have one more life? Probably. Okay, how do I get him over here? Oh, is there a set pattern? Oh, there is, maybe. Because there is one here. Okay, get over here, buddy. Okay, here we go. Thank you. And now! There we go. Oh, jeez. Melts into sand. Get wrecked. Alright. On to the next one. If there is a next one. The sandbird is born. I should have expected that. Oh! There we go. And there we go. Let's go. Oh, it literally is just a sand bird. Dinkin' red coins. It's legendary. It's climbing around the tower. Watch your feet. Okay. Oh. Well, this was a lot easier than I thought. You just gotta grab the red coins and there you go. Just make sure you don't fall off the cliff. There's a blue coin. Do I want it? No. Where's the last one? Oh! No! Dang it. Sandbird. Mario. He's climbing around the tower. Watch your feet. Where's the last one? There's blue coin, but where is the... Can I climb up? No! Dang it! Okay. Just don't even. Okay. I'll be back. Now the tail one is sketchy. The tail one is so sketchy. Okay, easy. Once it goes up. Oh. Okay. 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 Run. Now where's the last one? Why is it tilting to the side? Why? What the heck? Okay, we're back. Jeepers. And now we're gonna take down this bird. Yeah, I think the tail makes me the most nervous just because it's waving around. And then it's just like, ugh. I needed that one up. Dang it. That's so sensitive. The controls are kind of sensitive. Okay. No, I don't like this. This is where things get scary. This is my strategy now. I don't know if it's the right one, but I'm winging it. Winging it. I didn't even mean to do that. Uh-oh. Oh. I'm scared. Actually, I'm not scared. I'm pretty terrified. The tower. It's not on a cloud? I'm assuming it isn't. Oh! No! Oh man, that was like a large fail. Fail and a half. Jeez, I'm so gamer focused right now. Man, I despise this level. It's doing the thing. That was just even scarier the first time when the cloud was right there in my vision. I can't see. Now it's just like okay, you're fine. No! Oh, okay. That scared me. That scared me. Dang it. Okay. This time, we're not going to be an idiot. Just wait. One more. There we go. There we go. Piece of trash. Okay. Don't need to put up with that anymore. I think I'm going to leave it for this episode. That sandbird really just took it out of me. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.